Okay, those of you that might be battling erectile dysfunction, you might want to listen up. There's a recent study that showed that Viagra and similar medication like that might not work in up to 30% of men, or it might work for a while and then it starts to lose its effectiveness and then boom, nothing. If you are frustrated with things not working the way they should be and you want them to work once and for all, our next guest has exactly the thing you need.
That's right. Besides, who wants to be taking a pill for something that should happen naturally? Andrew Reinhardt is here. He is a medical tech with Boost Medical Clinic. Talking to us this morning from Utah. Andrew, always happy to see you. How are you?
I am doing great. Thank you for having me.
Let's talk about the drawbacks of some of the traditional treatments. Sean mentioned Viagra, and why the treatment that you offer is just a different way to go about it.
Yes, these are great points and great questions. The traditional treatments, of course, the pill, the injections, the surgery, and like we've talked about already today, those don't work for a lot of guys and cause side effects in almost all guys, not to mention the lack of spontaneity. Well, Boost Medical Clinic uses something that is changing the game. It's called acoustic wave therapy, heavily studied, FDA registered. It opens up very gently blood vessels, improves blood flow. So finally, after 30 years of the pill, we're treating the root cause problem of erectile dysfunction. We're getting normal function back for so many couples, zero side effects.
And zero having to take pills in perpetuity, which no one wants to do. Are you putting diodes on me, or you're shocking me? What is this? What kind of treatment? Is this painful?
It is not very intimidating. It kind of sounds intimidating, but it's not. It looks like an ultrasound machine. You come into the clinic, it's placed on the skin for about 10 minutes. It delivers those pressure waves into the blood vessels gently, kind of like breaking down a muscle in the gym and building it up stronger.
Okay.
That's similar to what we're doing with the blood
Mhm.
vessels. No recovery time. You can come in on your lunch break and then leave. You don't feel anything, not painful. And you might do a few of these over a couple weeks. That is it. We can reverse erectile dysfunction in that amount of time.
Wow.
I mean, it sounds very promising. Certainly to folks who struggle with this condition. You know, I'm sure they're listening, they're intrigued. However, the question on top of everyone's mind is, how safe is this?
Well, there are 42 clinical studies now on the science page of our website, and they basically all conclude the same thing. There's no side effects. There's never been one reported. This is totally safe. Keep in mind, we're not messing with your hormones. We're
Mhm.
not giving you any medication. This is not invasive. We're not breaking the skin. It's gentle. So it is totally safe. If you're struggling with ED, the medication, in my opinion, is what is dangerous. That can do some dangerous things. This is going to be safe with no side effects.
Which is fantastic. I know men are pretty hard-headed when it actually comes to going to the doctor. Luckily, your patients are saying some pretty good things. One of them in particular saying comfortable exams, clean rooms, organized office, friendly staff that were knowledgeable, answered questions that I had. The results are continuing to be outstanding, and I highly recommend this procedure. No hassle, great results, which is, everything that you'd want to hear, because I think a lot of people, especially when it comes to stuff like this, or other things that might make them feel self-conscious, like hair loss and stuff like that. You Google the results, you try to find hope, and there's a lot of people that are trying to essentially, I don't know, feast on your desire to find something and take advantage of you. And the fact that this is not that, pretty good.
Yeah, that's a great point. We've treated thousands of men all over the country, high success rate. They've been of every age with pretty much every health condition. And that testimonial that you read, that's very common of what we see every day. Guys are a little bit skeptical initially, but once they go through the treatments, what a breath of fresh air. There was no side effects. They don't have to take the pill any longer. They're noticing more blood flow where it counts in the bedroom. That's a great thing.
It certainly is. And you have a special offer today. I'm sure there are a lot of folks who rang in the new year and they're thinking, this is a year I'm going to address this, or maybe it's time. This is just kind of that extra motivation to get them to come in and learn what it is that you do.
Absolutely. If you or your man are struggling with erectile dysfunction, the worst thing you can do is nothing because the relationship suffers. So call us right now. We've got a lot for free to give away. We will do the assessment, the exam, even the blood flow ultrasound. This is with our medical doctor, by the way, totally free. We'll also throw in a little gift that guys really love. It produces instant results in the bedroom. This is somewhere in the $500 worth of value. We're going to do it totally free to those that call us right now.
I still don't know what it
Andrew?
is, and it's
I don't
very
either, but I suspect the women may love it too.
yes.
Great point.
Very good point. It's great to have you, my friend. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Oh, and we'll have JJ's dog bark us off as we will tell you that Boost Medical Clinic can be found online at boostmedicalclinic.com. Their number also right there on your screen. Take advantage of that special offer, including that special gift. Oh my goodness, what is it? You'll have to find out. Boost Medical Clinic, a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.